Welcome to the EFT Tapping Meditation to quiet the inner critical voice. Just take a deep breath in, exhale. Again, breathe in and let go. Now, gently bring to mind the inner voice that criticizes you. Notice what it says. Feel its presence. We are not here to fight this voice, but to acknowledge it with compassion and release its hold over us. Through EFT tapping, we will quiet the inner voice and replace it with self-kindness and confidence. Let's begin. Repeat after me while tapping on the side of your hand. Even though I hear this critical voice inside my head, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though this voice makes me doubt myself, I choose to bring in kindness and understanding. Even though this inner critic has been loud, I am open to softening its word and stepping into self-love. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Tap on the eyebrow point and repeat, "This critical voice has been with me for a long time." Side of the eye, sometimes it tells me I am not good enough. Under the eye, it judges me for my mistakes and imperfections. Under the nose, it compares me to others and makes me feel less than others. Chin point, it tells me I should be doing more, achieving more, and being more. Collarbone, it makes me second guess my choices and abilities. Under the arm, sometimes it feels like this voice is never satisfied with me. Top of the head, I can feel the pressure it puts on me, and I acknowledge that pressure now. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Eyebrow point, maybe this voice was meant to protect me. Side of the eye, maybe it came from past experiences or people who doubted me. Under the eye, perhaps it learned to be harsh because it thought it was helping. Under the nose, but now I see that it is holding me back instead of lifting me up. Chin point, I acknowledge this inner critical voice, but I no longer have to believe everything it says. Collarbone, I am open to softening its word and replacing them with love. Under the arm, I don't need to fight this voice. I just need to transform it. Top of the head, I am ready to shift this inner dialogue into something more supportive. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Eyebrow point, I am learning to quiet this voice. Side of the eye, I choose to treat myself with kindness. Under the eye, I release self-judgment and embrace self-compassion. Under the nose, I am doing my best and that is more than enough. Chin point, I choose to believe in myself and my abilities. Collarbone, I replace criticism with encouragement. Under the arm, I speak to myself with love, the way I would speak to a dear friend. Top of the head, I am free, I am enough, I am worthy. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Repeat after me while tapping each point. Eyebrow point, I am kind and gentle with myself. Side of the eye. I choose to believe in my greatness. Under the eye. I trust myself and my journey. Under the nose. I am enough just as I am. Chin point. I am worthy of love and respect. Collarbone. I release all self-doubt and step into confidence. Under the arm. I am powerful, capable, and limitless. Top of the head. I choose to love and accept myself completely. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Place your hands over your heart and repeat after me. I am proud of who I am becoming. I choose to be my own biggest supporter. I trust myself and my unique journey. I welcome self-love into every part of my life. I forgive myself for past mistakes and embrace my growth. I am kind to myself always. My inner voice now speaks with love and encouragement. I am enough. I have always been enough. Take one last deep breath in and exhale. Remember, you are loved, you are worthy, you are enough.